start. Coming to education, it has been categorized under social services. I am rather disappointed with the allocation of funds for universities and colleges. Out of the total outlay of rupees 600 crores for general education, the funds earmarked for university and higher education are only rupees 140 crores. The remaining would be spent for education up to the secondary standard, including teachers training programs and vocationalization of education. There are 130 universities, including 9 central universities. So one can just imagine how 130 universities could be developed and maintained with funds amounting to just rupees 140 crores. We all know that university is the barometer for ascertaining the standard of education, the standard of teaching and research, and university is the best platform for basic research and also for training in science and technology. If the universities and colleges are neglected and are denied funds, their growth will be stunted and whole education policy will fail. The university provides us the tools for good teachers, for basic training, vocational training, and training for self employment. Teachers in the state universities and colleges are not receiving the facilities, especially those enjoyed by the teachers of central universities, because of inadequate resources of the states. In this context, I would like to know whether any provision has been made in this year budget to meet the extra expenditure to be incurred by the states for implementing the revised pay scales in the state universities and also for college teachers. The central staff have already received the benefits of the revised pay scales. Therefore, I feel that immediate measures should be taken to reimburse to the states the amounts spent by them in the implementation of the new pay scales for university and college teachers. I would like to add a note of warning. Should the teachers start suffering from frustration and inertia due to their neglect, our nation will face grave consequences. It is gratifying that grants for atomic energy research, for space research, for research in technology, research in oceanography, and other scientific areas and technical education have been enhanced reasonably. As regards health and family welfare budget, the Honorable Finance Minister must be congratulated for increasing the outlay. The outlay for family welfare has been stepped up to rupees 600 crores from the current level of rupees 500 crores for the year 1998. Stop.